आता 10th स्टँडर्डाची एग्जाम 10वीची जी एग्जाम आसा एप्रिलान चालू जावपाची आसा आनी सिटींग अरेंजमेंट जो आसा गोवा बोर्डान डिक्लेअर केल्लो आसा. पूण एक खंय फेक मेसेजीस वेगळे वेगळे वेबसायटाचेर वॉट्सॅप ग्रुपाचेर धाडपाक चालू केल्ले आहा लोकांनी आनी ही खंय मेसेज्यो कन्फ्युजन करता.
That I have also received similar message on my mobile, but my request is whoever has started these fake messages must stop it straight away, because while circulating such fake messages you are playing with the lives of the young innocent students of Vasco. Would you have liked your child to face a similar situation? The big answer is no. So therefore please don't play with the life of the students. Please allow the students to concentrate, do well so that they succeed in the exam.
पालक आणि भुरग्यांनी खंय फक्त अधिकृत वेबसायट वा अधिकाऱ्यांनी दिल्ले म्हायती प्रमाण वचचें. बाकीचे मेसेजींचेर दुर्लक्ष करचें.
Please do not go by these fake messages. Rely upon the message which is there available on the Goa board website or on the official newspaper cutouts, because these are the true things. We have also confirmed with the ADI that the message which is being circulated is fake.
Whatever fake messages have been circulated should not be looked over, because you have to only check onto the Goa board website for the confirmed sitting arrangement.
आतां आमी जेन्ना ADIक मेळ्ळे तेन्ना तिणें एक क्लियर कट सांगलां की जे भुरगे आसा जावं जे कोण पेरंट्स आहा 10वीचे जे कोण एग्जामीक बसपाचे आहा तेंच्यांनी फक्त गोवा बोर्डाची वेबसायटीचेर रिलाय करपाचो फॉर एनी सिटींग अरेंजमेंट्स, ऑर दे कॅन कॉन्टॅक्ट द चीफ कंडक्टर ऑफ 10th स्टँडर्ड एग्जाम्स वास्कोच्यान प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर विक्रम नायक.